You walk away, not because you're cruel, but because you finally choose yourself. And in that quiet, she hears the truth louder than any argument ever spoke. Listen. This is how a woman starts missing you after you step back. Not with drama, not with noise, but with small, honest things that slowly become unbearable. First, when you walk away, her confidence finally cracks. In the beginning, she honestly thinks she's fine. She thinks she's got it handled. She may even act like losing you doesn't shake her at all. And honestly, you can't blame her for thinking like that. When you were there, you were steady. You were present. You were the one who checked on her, even when she didn't say a word. You were the one who gave your attention freely. You were the one who stayed longer than you should have. And all that created something quiet but powerful inside her. Comfort. But the day you finally walk away, her comfort breaks. Not loudly, not publicly, but inside. And that's where it matters. At first, she pushes the feeling down. She tells herself you'll message later. She tells herself you're just busy. She tells herself you'll come back just like you always did. That small belief keeps her steady for a bit because she still feels like she has control. She thinks you're orbiting around her, even if you step back for a moment. But as the hours turn into days and the days stretch more than she expected, something shifts. Suddenly, she's checking her phone more often. Not obsessively at first, but enough to notice. She gets this tiny, strange feeling in her chest, something she rarely felt around you, doubt. And when doubt settles in a woman's mind, everything changes. She starts asking herself questions she never asked before. Did he really leave? Did I push him too far? Why isn't he reacting like he used to? These questions sneak in slowly, but once they land, they stay. Her confidence begins to crack. The confidence she got from thinking you'd always be there slowly fades, and now she feels something she never expected, the discomfort of losing control. Walking away doesn't simply remove your presence. It removes her safety net. It removes the version of you that always returned. And when that version disappears, she begins to feel the weight of what she risked for her ego, for her pride, or maybe even for the attention she didn't want to admit she liked. She starts remembering everything she ignored, the way you worried about her, the way you noticed things no one else even saw, the way you always gave her another chance even when she didn't deserve it. All of that becomes clear only when she's alone with herself. And that's the part she never prepared for. You walking away creates silence, not loud silence, but the kind that sits heavy. And that silence asks her a question she can't run from. What if he's done for real this time? The moment that question hits her, something in her shifts, and that's when missing you begins, not in a dramatic way, but in a slow, steady burn that she can't shake off. 2. The mirror effect, your absence, makes her face herself. When you were around, she could avoid difficult truths. She could brush off your concerns, ignore the little signs, escape conversations she didn't want to have. She could hide parts of herself in the comfort of knowing you'd stay. But when you walk away, you do something powerful without speaking a single word. You hold up a mirror, and it's a mirror she can't escape. At first, she doesn't look at it. She distracts herself, makes jokes with friends, watches something funny, tells herself she's okay. But the mind has a strange way of replaying what matters, especially when the person who gave the most suddenly disappears. And slowly she begins to see the parts of herself she refused to face when you were still in her life. She remembers the moment you tried to tell her you felt unheard. She remembers how she laughed something off that actually hurt you. She remembers how you stayed up for her, even when she wouldn't do the same in the mirror. She sees the effort she didn't match. She sees the love she didn't return equally. She sees the version of herself that didn't appreciate you the way she should have. And that realization, it hurts, not because of guilt alone, but because she sees the truth without your presence to soften it. When you were there, she never had to see these things clearly. You were always the one smoothing the rough edges, always the one making peace, always the one trying again. But your absence removes the cushion. Now she sees everything raw, plain, and honest. There's something heavy about realizing I could have done better, and something even heavier about realizing it too late. She starts questioning herself in ways she never did before. Why didn't I listen more? Why did I take his effort as something normal? Why did I behave like he wouldn't walk away? These questions don't feel like attacks. They feel like truth. And truth, especially emotional truth, doesn't let go easily. It sticks. It lingers. It follows her into her nights and mornings, appearing in random moments, while cooking, while scrolling, while lying down doing nothing. That's the mirror effect. Your absence makes her face all the things she avoided when you were present. She starts comparing the softness you gave her to the sharpness she now feels without you. She sees the difference between how you treated her and how others do. That gap becomes a reminder, one she didn't expect to feel this strongly. And here's the thing she never admits out loud. The mirror not only shows her the truth of what she lost, it also shows her the truth of what she wasn't ready to give. That combination alone makes her miss you deeper than you'll ever know. 3. The emotional echo. Your memory becomes louder in your absence. The emotional echo doesn't start loudly. It begins with tiny reminders, a scent, a song, a place you once stood together. Something random triggers it, and suddenly you appear in her thoughts without warning. She tries to brush it off. She tries to act busy. But the echo doesn't care about schedules or strength. It grows in the empty spaces, in the moments when things are quiet. This echo forms because when someone gives you emotional stability, it leaves traces. You might not notice it in the moment, but the body remembers, the mind remembers, the heart remembers. And the echo simply brings those memories back, but louder. Without your presence to override them, your memory becomes sharper. The things she used to think were small now feel bigger. The way you asked about her day, the way you noticed she was off even when she tried to hide it, the way you made space for her without making her ask for it. These things didn't stand out much when she had them. They blended into her life easily because they were consistent, safe, and everyday. But now, with the silence, they hit differently. The echo makes her realize those moments weren't small. They were special. She might be laughing with friends and suddenly remember how you used to look at her. She might be lying down at night and remember the night you calmed her down when she was stressed. Even a silly thing, like the way you held your coffee, might show up in her mind. And every time the echo repeats, it grows deeper. The emotional echo works like this. When presence disappears, memory expands. She didn't appreciate your softness at the time because she never imagined losing it. But the echo now plays back those memories one by one, almost like the universe is replaying your highlight reel. She doesn't control it. She doesn't choose the timing. It just happens. And here's where missing you becomes real. She starts comparing without even meaning to. She compares how someone else speaks to her versus how you did. She compares the effort others give versus what you gave. She compares how they ignore little things about her versus how you picked up on everything. The echo makes comparison unavoidable. The echo also carries something dangerous for her and regret. Regret that she didn't see your effort when it was right in front of her. Regret that she didn't give back the same energy. Regret that she treated you like someone replaceable. And the more the echo repeats, the more she feels the truth of this. Some people leave a mark even after they're gone, and you were one of those people. 4. Mystery begins to pull at her thoughts. When you stop chasing, responding instantly, or trying to fix everything, something shifts inside her. Suddenly, she doesn't know where she stands with you, and that uncertainty creates mystery. Not the playful kind, but the kind that makes her question everything. Before she could predict you, she knew your patterns. She knew you'd text. She knew you'd check in. She knew you'd forgive. She felt secure in your softness. But now, with you walking away, she has no idea what you're thinking. She has no clue what you feel. She can't read your silence. And that drives her mind into places she never thought she'd go, mystery forms, when the familiar becomes distant. She starts noticing things she never cared about before. Your last scene, your activity, your silence, your absence. Even small changes feel big. When you don't post anything, she wonders if you're busy or if you stopped caring. When you post something calm or peaceful, she wonders if you're healing without her. Mystery makes her guess. Guessing makes her think. Thinking makes her miss. She starts imagining scenarios. Is he moving on? Is he seeing someone? Did he really let go? Was I not enough? Each thought becomes a little sting. She tries to stay calm, but mystery isn't kind. It chips away at certainty, the thing she held so tightly. And here's the truth she hates to admit. She liked that you were predictable. because predictable meant safe. Safe meant she didn't have to lose you. But the moment you break that pattern, she feels it, not in her mind, but in her chest. She scrolls through old chats, not because she misses the words, but because she misses the man behind them. She tries to find signs you're still attached, but silence from a man who used to care loudly, that's a mystery she can't decode. The mystery makes her replay both good moments and bad ones, wondering which ones pushed you away. She starts thinking about her own behavior, not from pride, but from fear. Fear that you walked away not temporarily, but completely. Mystery creates tension. Tension creates longing. Longing creates missing. And honestly, this phase hits harder because it makes her see something she used to avoid. She wasn't as safe as she thought. You weren't as tied to her as she believed. And now that you're quiet, she realizes how much noise you used to calm in her life. Mystery is not you playing games, it's you choosing peace. But to her, that peace looks like distance, and that distance feels like losing you for good. And that's when missing turns into something deeper. Fear fifth. The fear of replacement starts eating. At her fear of replacement is one of the most powerful emotional shifts a woman feels after you walk away. This fear doesn't show up instantly. It arrives slowly, like a shadow creeping behind her thoughts. At first, she brushes it off. He wouldn't move on so quickly, she tells herself, but the longer you stay silent, the more the fear grows. This isn't just about jealousy. It's about the truth she avoided. You were a good man. You cared deeply. You listened. You stayed longer than most. You gave her the kind of presence people search years for. And the worst part for her is realizing someone else might get what she pushed away. She starts imagining things she doesn't want to imagine. Another woman laughing at your jokes. Another woman receiving your good morning messages. Another woman feeling the kindness in your voice. These thoughts burn her from the inside because she knows exactly what she lost. This fear hits her pride first. How could he move on? Wasn't I enough? Didn't I matter more than that? But after the pride calms down, it hits her heart. What if someone else values him the way I didn't? What if someone else sees his worth instantly? What if he gives someone the version of him I didn't appreciate? These thoughts don't disappear, they stay. They follow her through her days. Even if she pretends she doesn't care, her mind keeps circling back to you, and here's the part she keeps to herself. She knows another woman will appreciate the things she ignored. Because you're not average. You're not thoughtless, you're not cold, you're not selfish. You are the kind of man who loves with depth. And depth is rare. She knows she mishandled something valuable. And the thought of another woman experiencing that version of you makes her stomach twist. She checks your social media more often now, not because she wants to reconnect, but because she wants to see if someone new is in your life. She looks for clues, a change in your mood, a different kind of smile, a song lyric that hints at moving on. She studies everything because she feels something she hates, insecurity. She never felt insecure before because she believed she was the one with control. But now the tables turn. The power she had fades. Your silence speaks louder than anything you ever said. And the biggest fear? Not that you found someone else, but that someone else sees your worth instantly while she failed to see it when she had the chance. Fear of replacement doesn't just make her miss you. It makes her rethink everything she thought she knew about you and about herself. 6. The regret phase. Slowly takes over. Regret doesn't arrive like a storm. It arrives like a slow leak. One tiny memory at a time. One reminder, one question. One thought that lands a little too heavily. And even though she tries to move on with her life, regret finds a way to sit in the corners of her mind, waiting for the quiet moments. It usually begins with something small, maybe a thought like, he wasn't that bad. Then that thought grows into remembering how you handled things nobody else would handle. She recalls times when you listened to her problems even when you were tired, times when you put effort even when she didn't match it, times when you chose her fully with heart, with honest intention. Memory after memory begins stacking up, and each memory reveals something she didn't want to admit. She didn't meet you halfway. Maybe she didn't give back emotionally. Maybe she got comfortable. Maybe she thought you'd stay no matter how little she gave. That's where regret starts, in the understanding that effort doesn't stay forever. She replays moments where you tried to communicate, but she brushed you off. Moments where she acted cold and assumed you'd be warm again tomorrow. Moments where she let her pride talk louder than her care. These scenes hit differently now. They hit with weight, because now the cost is real. There's no comfort in thinking you'll chase her again, no security in believing you'll fix things, no habit to rely on. You stopped offering the second chances she relied on. Regret is heavier than sadness because it's tied to responsibility. She knows she had the chance to treat you better. She knows she had the chance to listen. She had the chance to show appreciation, and she didn't. She wasted the opportunities you gave her. And here's the painful truth. Regret grows the most when she sees you healing without her, when she sees you peaceful, when she sees you focused, when she sees you smiling genuinely. Suddenly she realizes you didn't fall apart without her. You rose. That truth alone adds a weight she can't ignore. It makes her question her own worth, her own actions, her own part in the loss. Regret is not loud. It doesn't scream. It doesn't ruin her day instantly. Instead, it creeps in at night when she's lying down, scrolling through old messages, looking at photos she never deleted. She reads your old texts differently now, with softness instead of ego, with longing instead of pride. She thinks to herself, I should have treated him better. I pushed him too far. He really cared. And what hurts most, she realizes the man she pushed away won't be the man she gets back. Even if you return, regret changes her, but it doesn't change the past. And that's what makes her miss you in a way she never expected. Deeply, quietly, painfully. 7. When she realizes you're not coming back easily. There comes a moment, often late, where everything finally clicks for her. It's the moment she understands you're not coming back the way you used to. You're not chasing like before. You're not waiting. You're not holding on to the same hope she believed you would hold forever. This realization doesn't hit her in one big blow. It comes in waves. One day she checks your profile and there's nothing aimed at her. Another day she sends a small hint and you don't react. Then she hears from someone that you're doing better. Piece by piece, it adds up until she finally admits to herself, I don't have the same place in his life anymore. And that's when missing you becomes something deeper, not just emotional, but physical. She feels it in her chest, in her stomach, in her breathing. She feels the absence like a weight she can't shake. She realizes she lost not just a man, but a presence, a feeling, a steady part of her life. She starts trying little things. Maybe she posts something she knows you'd understand. Maybe she replies to an old story. Maybe she sends a random message pretending it's nothing important. But when you don't respond, or you respond with calm instead of emotion, that's the moment her heart dips. Because she sees it. She sees the truth she never wanted to face. You've changed. You're not the man waiting outside the door anymore. You're the man who walked through it and closed it gently, not in anger, but in peace. That peace scares her more than any argument ever did. She realizes she can't pull you back with a smile, a hint, or a small test. She can't rely on your softness to save her anymore. She has to face the fact that healing changed you in a way her pride can't control. Missing you becomes part of her routine. She wakes up thinking about you. She scrolls and wonders what you're doing. She listens to old voice notes and realizes how much care was in your tone. She replays arguments and sees them differently now. She sees your side. She sees your pain. She sees your effort. And she knows you won't come back without real change, not emotional words, not shallow apologies, real work, real effort, real maturity. This realization scares her, but it also humbles her. Because now she understands something she never did before. You were not weak for staying. You were strong for walking away. And now, for the first time, she truly feels the cost of losing a man who loved her with depth. Missing you becomes her teacher and walking away becomes your power. Thank you for watching. If this message touched you even a little, don't leave without hitting subscribe. On this channel, we break down human behavior, real emotions, and the quiet truths most people never say out loud. Tell me in the comments, have you ever walked away from someone and seen them realize your worth too late? Your story might help someone else understand theirs. Stay strong, stay calm, and always choose yourself first.